Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode, we're going to discuss the top 5 things to buy for the perfect console gaming setup 2022. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So keep up with me to the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. If you're a console gamer, there's a good chance you already know all the basics like controllers, a monitor, and the console itself. Users can buy certain items that will elevate the gaming experience and also improve performance while not breaking the bank entirely. There's nothing such as a perfect console setup, but some accessories and components can help come close to it. Although a simple setup works fine, it can be upgraded to a more flashy, perform better, store more games, and spice up your gaming situation. Best accessories and components to improve your console gaming experience. Number 1, controller grips. For first-person shooter games, the thumbstick is used the most as it's easy for it to be worn and torn quite easily in the controller's lifespan, and protecting it is a good way of keeping usable and increasing its durability. What's more is that during intense games, palms tend to get sweaty, leading the controllers to lose grip and making it hard for users to maintain performance. Thumbsticks and controller grips will solve a lot of such problems while also making it easier for it to be held. The thumbstick grip also increases its height, making it easier for the user to be more accurate while aiming because of added control. Number 2, charging dock. Although the latest controllers have incredible battery lives, the worst experience gamers could have is for their only form of input running out of juice. If that happens when playing an online game, you pretty much have already lost. Users can always plug in their controller while gaming, but in some cases it's not possible, such as the cable being too short. A charging dock is a convenient way for charging your controllers, which does not require the user to plug in their device each time and rather just place it. When not in use, controllers can be put to charge quickly, adding to the gaming setup's appeal. It may seem like an unnecessary accessory, but it's quite underrated and controllers never run out of charge with one of these around. Number 3, solid state drive. An SSD is the fastest way to improve your console's performance by a large margin. If you own a PlayStation 4 or an Xbox One, a solid state drive is the best component to invest in as it will reduce load times drastically while also decreasing boot times. As games have been increasing in size exponentially, 1 terabyte of inbuilt storage never seems enough, and if you want to install a new game, the only way to do so is by deleting a pre-installed one to create more space. While the latest generation consoles already come with an SSD installed, both the PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X have extra slots to increase their storage capacity, and investing in extra storage will be convenient. Number 4, gaming monitor. All your games are displayed on your TV or monitor, and having an average one does not fully do justice to the output power of the latest consoles. Gaming monitors will have high refresh rates, low response times, HDR capabilities, and high resolution. The latest generation of consoles can output games at a 4K resolution or 120Hz refresh rate while running the game with a high dynamic range HDR. HDR is underrated, and monitors with this feature help games reach their graphical potential. Some games may consider it more important than high resolution, and it's something that can only be experienced rather than explained. Number 5, Pro Controller. If you play competitive games or you play console games like Apex Legends, Call of Duty Warzone, Brawlhalla, or something similar, having a Pro Controller gives you a plethora of customization and inputs, providing with a marginally big advantage over your opponents. With a Pro Controller, users can remap the buttons to their desired preference, add more buttons to the back of the controller, swap out small components, and fully customize them to the brim. Many third-party companies make competent controllers that are only an improvement to the standard ones and highly add to the competitive gaming experience. So guys, that's all for today's video. Share as much as you can as it really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With that, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.